Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your website URL on Wix. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in my all sites view, and I'm going to show you how to find the URL. For example, for this site right over here, as you can see, I called it site 5, and I'm going to find the URL for this. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is on this page, go and click on site actions, which are these three buttons, and click rename site. Here, as you can see, you have the site address, which is the URL, and it still isn't published, but this will be the free domain if I decide to publish the site. And as you can see, the URL is this. It pretty much just go https, then your username, then .wixsite.com / the site URL which you have chosen. I've chosen this, so I'll just keep that, and let's keep that in mind. Now I'm just going to copy this, and that's going to be for any one of my sites, and site-5 is going to be my site's URL. And then I'm going to go into the site editor, because there is another thing that I want to show you. Now that is the URL for your site in general, and it's just gonna show you the landing page or the home page of the site. But if I go into design site right over here and open up the editor, it's gonna open up, of course, the main editing screen, and it's gonna start at the home page. And I'm just gonna add a text field to save the thing that I copied over. I'm just gonna paste the entire site URL. So let's just wait for it to load, and once it loads, I'm going to show you what else you can do. What I want to show you is how you can find the specific page URL for any of the sites that you own. So now that this is open, let me just add a quick text field just like this. Just go into add elements, add text, theme text. I'll add it as heading 1, add it here, and as you can see, I will paste the text over here just like so. I'm gonna just make the font size a bit smaller, and can I add possibly a background? I don't know where to find it, but it doesn't really matter. As you can see, this is the URL that I copied over, and I'm gonna add site-5 to the end of it, and now that's the full URL of the site. I'm gonna add another / at the front, and now that I've added that, we're gonna go into pages and menu here to the left, and next to the page that you want to find the URL of, you're going to go into 3 dots, go into settings, and then you're going to go into SEO Google, which should be somewhere here, or into SEO basics. And as you can see, this is where you can change the homepage URL. As you can see, you can go to URL over here, and this is your homepage, so the URL is your domain name, and this cannot be changed, at least from the home page. Now, if I go into technology, which is a second page, as you can see, now we're going to go into SEO basics over here, and as you can see, this is the URL slug. So this is the end of the URL, which is going to take you to this page. So I'm just going to copy over technology, and I'm going to go back to my main page where I copied my URL. And if I add that part to the end, this is now the full URL for the technology page. Now, as you can see, for the home page, it's going to be just this part, and for any other page, you can set up the URL slug to the end so that the URL takes you to that page directly. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.